Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix touch issues after installing screen protector on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin! So let's say I have installed a screen protector. I don't have any on me right now, but let's say I just did. And let's say I have a really I have a big amount of issues in with the touch. Since, you know, the screen protector protects my screen, but it protects it from everything, including my touch. So in order to fix that, we simply go to settings, not here, we just simply go to settings and go to display. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that we have enabled accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity. We can just enable touch sensitivity. And now our sensitivity for the touch is increased. And that's all for this video, really. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.